Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Windows 11 build 22616 new improvements. You can see no watermark on desktop normally, but it's coming in future builds. And Microsoft says switching from dev channel to the beta channel is closing soon. If you want switch dev to beta channel, you can do it now. And we have few fixes in this build. First, Microsoft fix an issue that was causing the process list to fluctuate between apps and background groups when clicking on efficiency mode from the command bar. And Microsoft fixed an issue where, if you tried to open the widgets board using a gesture from the side of the screen, you would see the widgets board open and then immediately close. And as a result of feedback from Windows insiders, Microsoft have decided to disable the changes to the system tray introduced in build 22581 for now. The system tray and specifically the Show Hidden Icons flyout will now function the same way it did with the original release of Windows 11, including the ability to rearrange icons in the flyout. Microsoft fixed the issue causing the Show Hidden Icons flyout in the system tray to disappear completely for some insiders, even though it shows as on under Settings a personalization taskbar and other system tray icons. And Microsoft addressed an issue where using the 3-finger on-screen touch gesture for minimizing could cause animations to stop working across the system. Thanks for watching.